Enabling the roadmap feature in Jira provides a visual timeline for planning and tracking the progress of projects. Here's how to enable and use the roadmap feature in Jira. Log into Jira. Use your Jira credentials with appropriate permissions to access project settings. Navigate to your project. Go to the project where you want to enable the roadmap feature. Click on the project's name in the sidebar or the project's menu. Access project settings. Click on project settings at the bottom left of the project sidebar. Enable roadmap. In the project settings menu, select features or project settings. Locate the roadmap option. Toggle the switch or click the enable button to activate the roadmap feature. View and use the roadmap. Once enabled, navigate to the roadmap tab or section within the project's menu. Use the roadmap view to create, view and manage your project's initiatives, epics and tasks. You can drag and drop issues to set timelines, dependencies, and milestones. Customize the roadmap. Adjust the settings and filters to display relevant information. Customize the roadmap view to fit your project needs.